This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So firstly, I would recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Then amongst the available control panel shortcuts, touch and hold at the nearby share icon. Once at the nearby share page, you gotta turn on the switch. From here, you can rename your device if necessary. You can also make it visible or invisible, as well as restrict its visibility to only your devices, only your contacts, or basically not restrict it at all, and let everyone who is in range to access and pair with your tablet. You can also manage the data mode or data type that will be used for the file transfer, and you are all set up and ready to go. So let me test it out. I will send, or at least try sending the picture from this Nokia that I have to my T20 tablet. So here's my device. I'll tap on it and send the pairing request, then accept the transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to be sent and received, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.